TEK, the Modern Cave Boy, written and illustrated by Patrick McDonnell. Enter password. TEK. Once upon a time, way back, a long time ago, or maybe yesterday, there lived a little cave boy named TEK. TEK was pretty much your typical troglodyte child. Yes, he did have a beard, but everything was kind of hairy back then. Ugh. All cave boys lived in caves, of course, but the problem with this cave boy was that he never wanted to leave his, even when friends came to visit. Hi, TEK. Ugh. In the evening, an eerie glow came from TEK's cave, making it impossible to see the twinkling stars above. Beep boop bop. TEK stayed alone in his cave room, glued to his phone, his tablet, and his game box, all day, all night, all the time. Beep boop bop. You should have never invented the internet, TEK's mom grunted to TEK's dad. Beep bop bip. Outside, the real world was evolving, but TEK couldn't have cared less. Beep beep. Ugh. TEK missed out on all the winter fun during the Ice Age. Boop bop beep. He never even learned his dinosaur names, identifying them as whatchamacallitosaurus and who's datosaurus or a flying I don't give a dactyl. The hours, days, and months were slipping by. Beep beep boop bop boop boop bop boop boop beep beep bop boop bop bip boop bip beep bop. My brain may be the size of a walnut, but even I know that it is not a healthy situation, said his best friend Larry. I wish TEK would come out and play. Bip bop bip. TEK's parents tried everything to pry him away from his gadgets, but TEK wouldn't budge. I need to light a fire under that boy's butt, grumbled TEK's dad. Except I haven't invented fire yet. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Beep boop 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 bop. No one could get TEK's attention, not even the tribe's grand poobah, his high muckety mucks, nor Darla O'Duddy and her dinosaurs for a better tomorrow. All seemed lost until boop beep bop. Ugh. Big Papa, the village volcano, had an idea. He could make fire. He could shake things up. Big time. So Big Papa, beep boop bop, popped. Ugh. 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 The eruption shot TEK and his phone, tablet, and game box out of his cave and into the sky. TEK crashed. He was totally disconnected. TEK awoke, breathing in the sweet, fresh air, basking in the warm sun, and tickled by the cool grass. He wondered where he was. He looked around and discovered a dragonfly, a tiger lily, a ginkgo tree, a hairy elephant, the hairy people, an awesome saurus. The big, beautiful world. Sweet. TEK left his gadgets behind and ran to find his good friend Larry. On his way, he kissed his dad and mom. Ugh, groaned his dad. I need to invent shaving cream. TEK hopped onto his wheel, plucked a fresh apple, whistled to a dodo bird. Hello, TEK. And surprised his sleeping friend. Beep. TEK and Larry laughed and played all day in that sunny garden. And in the evening, they reached for the glorious stars. The end. Won't you come out to play? TEK, think outside.